Come on, Jenny. Kick him.
Go.
Kick him.
Kick. See, he's got it. Put your hands down by his neck. That's it. Let go of the horn. Good girl.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to live in that house back there, that's for sure.
Come on back this way. Come on.
Now she uses shoe hands on the rein. Is there a reason for that?
Well, Squaw Boots is responding better to that.
Okay.
But she does neck reining. Kick, Jenny. Come on. Put your hands down by his neck. Don't hold him back. Kick. Let him go. Come on. Come on. Come back down this way, Collie. Come on. Collie, shorten up on your reins. Turn your horse to me. Come on. Over here. Come on, Jenny. Kick, Jewel.
Jenny, hands down, lower. Turn him.
Now turn. Come on.
Jenny, turn him all around.
He'll go. He'll follow. Come on, go. Keep going. Anna,
Jenny,
go that way. Go straight. Don't stop. Go. Come on. Go. There you go. There, girl. Come on. Kick. Come on. Kick him hard. Kick him like you want to kick your mother.
Yeah.